Hello, welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to change your zip code on McDonald's app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to change your zip code on McDonald's app. We'll start opening up a McDonald's app. Once you open up a McDonald's app, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look in the bottom right hand corner where it says more. Make sure you tap on more. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, look in the upper where it says profile. Make sure you tap on profile. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, make sure you tap on where it says personal settings. Personal settings. Then make sure you look on where it says change zip code. Once you arrive on the personal settings, look on where it says change zip code right there. So make sure you tap on there. Then you can change your zip code to whatever zip code that you want. As you guys can see right there. So make sure you put a valid zip code or otherwise it won't work. And once you've done that, make sure you tap on where it says confirm all on the bottom. Confirm details. Make sure you tap on there. And that's how you change your zip code on McDonald's app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.